Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this incredible character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 8000. Did you know Numberblock 8000 is made of 8 groups of 1000?
Start with one small little block.
8000. Absolutely spectacular. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A big pink body. Magnificent. Now, draw 7 vertical lines inside the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 sections for 8,000 blocks. 80 tiny lines. Watch them appear fast. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Fantastic! We reached 80. That's EIGHTY. Amazing tiny lines. Now, time for horizontal lines. These lines create all 8,000 tiny blocks. So many lines, but we will make it fun. Let's draw the first group. Here we go. Ready, check time. Are you drawing along with me? Raise your hand if you are ready. I can see you. Great job. Let's keep going. More lines coming. More horizontal lines, drawing nicely. Every line adds more blocks. Looking great. Keep going. Number quiz time. Numberblock 8000 is very special.
Watch the page become a playground full of shapes both big and small. Every new design is special. There's a place to welcome all. Move around the happy spaces. Add another little piece. Soon the picture starts to sparkle, growing brighter without cease. Every tiny detail.
Back to drawing. More lines. Halfway there. You are doing so well. Stretch break time. Stand up and stretch like Numberblock 8000. Stretch all 6 arms out wide. Left, right, up. Amazing. Now back to drawing.
Imagination welcomes all.
Almost there. Keep drawing. Every line brings us closer. Looking incredible. Power countdown from 8 with me. 8, 7, 6. Last group of lines and the very last line done. 8,000 tiny blocks, all complete. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 8000 has amazing infinity glasses with star spikes. Draw the infinity shape, then add the star points around it.
Grab your pencil, hold it tight. We're going to draw.
Now draw the big round eyes inside and the black pupils. Add the eyelashes on sides, so cool. Now draw the happy smile with teeth, a big cheerful mouth. Now draw the many curly arms on both sides.
Give it 4 strong sides to meet. Place another right beside. Watch our picture grow with pride. Keep on drawing, don't be shy.
Now draw the legs at the bottom.
Imagination fly. Every shape is one more clue. Something exciting comes into view.
Add the watch on one arm.
So nice and slow. Watch your
In the center of the body, draw the big octagon shape. Inside it, write 80K.
Build number blocks today. Start with one small little block. Nice and square from top to base. Draw it slowly, nice and neatly. Every line is in its place. Add another, keep on building.
At the very top, write 8, 0, 0, 0, 8,000.
Every step helps learning flow. Count together, 1, 2, 3. Learning numbers joyfully.
Our drawing is complete.
Hello everyone, I am Numberblock 8000. I have infinity glasses and 8,000 blocks. Coloring time! Let's make it beautiful. First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. And the mouth area black too.
A drop of blue like ocean waves, making every block delight. Golden colors start to twinkle.
Now pick up purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the eye outlines, the eyelashes, and the smile outline purple. Looking so stylish already.
Every shade has its place. Every smile lights each face. Brush it, watch it shine. Every color looks divine. Tiny artist, big surprise. Rainbow magic fills our eyes. Rainbow block party, here we go. Watch our
Now pick up maroon. Spell maroon. M-A-R-O-O-N. Maroon. Color the hands, the legs, and the center octagon shape maroon. Mini game color check. Color check. Which color did we just use? Maroon. Well done.
one bright color meets another, making something fresh and new. Every little splash together gates a beautiful view. Tiny patterns, happy faces, color travels every place. Every number block is glowing with a cheerful shining face. Orange sparkles, purple beams, coloring our
Now pick up dark pink. Spell it. D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Dark pink. Color the main body grid. Beautiful dark pink everywhere. Add bright pink details on the arms and legs.
Rainbow block party, sing hooray! Let's make art in our own way. Fill each square.
How many hands does it have? Is it 4, 6, or 8? Think carefully. The answer is 6. 3 on each side. Well done.
Rainbow block party, hip hip hooray! Your number blocks look fantastic. Keep your color.
Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the watch. Yellow.
Every shade can tell a story. Every color has a voice.
Now pick up pink. Spell pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Now let's finish the entire body with rich purple pink color. Every tiny block filled beautifully.
Happy picture glow. Red is dancing, blue is smiling, yellow brings a sunny day. Green is growing, orange glowing, purple loves to laugh and play. Color here, color there, happy colors everywhere. Bright and bold, soft and light, everything is looking bright. Color every number block. Fill each little square. Make them happy, make them sparkle. Show them that you care. Paint with joy, paint with fun. Every color, everyone. Big adventures start today. Color, laugh, and learn through play. Little colors side by side, making rainbows full of pride. Every block becomes brand new. Every dream comes shining through. Fill the corners, fill the middle, leave no tiny space behind. Every color works together, making beautiful designs. Splash of red, splash of blue, every picture smiles at you. Golden, yellow, emerald green, the happiest we've ever seen. Mix the colors, watch them glow. See the magic start to grow. Bright ideas lead the way. Learning happens every day. Every number block looks so bright. Filled with colors, filled with light. Color every number block. Watch them come alive. Every page is full of wonder. Every dream can thrive. Happy colors, high hearts. Learning grows through works of art. Paint together, sing together. Every day is fun. Color every learn through block.
And done! 8,000 blocks colored.
Until
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.